Hey there, fellow travelers, are you ready to explore the world on your own? There's a certain thrill in venturing out solo, embracing new cultures and creating memories that are uniquely yours. But with so many incredible destinations beckoning, choosing where to go can be a delightful challenge. That's why I've put together this list of the top solo travel destinations for 2025. From the ancient temples of Japan to the glaciers of Iceland, these places offer a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and safety for those seeking to explore the world on their own terms. So, grab your backpack, dust off your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable solo adventure. Japan is a land of fascinating contrasts, where ancient temples stand tall amidst towering skyscrapers, and centuries-old traditions seamlessly blend with cutting-edge technology. For solo travelers, Japan offers a safe and immersive experience, with its incredibly efficient public transportation system, making it a breeze to navigate this captivating country. Imagine yourself hopping on a bullet train in Tokyo, its futuristic skyline whizzing by, and within hours, finding yourself strolling through the serene bamboo forests of Arashiyama or sipping matcha in a traditional tea house in Kyoto. And don't forget about the food. From savoring fresh sushi at the world-famous Tsukiji fish market to indulging in a steaming bowl of ramen in a bustling back alley, your taste buds will thank you for embarking on a culinary adventure through Japan. Nestled along the sun-kissed shores of the Iberian Peninsula, Portugal beckons travelers with its charming villages, stunning coastline, and a history as rich as its famous pastel de nata pastries. The Portuguese people are known for their genuine warmth and hospitality, making solo travelers feel welcome from the moment they arrive. Picture yourself wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets of Lisbon, riding its iconic yellow trams, and listening to the soulful melodies of fado music drift from cozy restaurants. Or perhaps you'll find yourself venturing to the enchanting city of Sintra, with its fairy tale castles and lush gardens, seemingly plucked straight out of a storybook. And of course, no trip to Portugal is complete without savoring the fresh seafood, sipping on a glass of port wine, and soaking up the sun on one of its many picturesque beaches. For those seeking adventure and breathtaking natural beauty, New Zealand is calling. Known as the land of the long white cloud, this island nation offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with towering mountains, pristine lakes, and fjords so stunning they seem almost otherworldly. Imagine yourself hiking through Fiordland National Park, kayaking amidst the Milford Sound, or challenging yourself with a bungee jump or whitewater rafting trip in Queenstown, the adventure capital of the South Island. The friendly and welcoming Kiwi spirit will make you feel right at home, whether you're sharing stories with fellow travelers in a cozy pub, or simply soaking up the tranquility of this remarkable country. From the cosmopolitan streets of Vancouver to the historic charm of Quebec City, Canada offers a diverse tapestry of experiences for solo travelers. Embrace the great outdoors with hikes through Banff National Park, marvel at the power of Niagara Falls, or go whale watching off the coast of Nova Scotia. Canada's cities are vibrant and welcoming, with world-class museums, art galleries, and culinary scenes to explore. Stroll through the Distillery District in Toronto, get lost in the charm of Old Montreal, or catch a hockey game, Canada's national pastime, for an unforgettable cultural experience. Safety and ease of travel are paramount in Canada, making it an ideal destination for solo exploration. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the best of both worlds, the excitement of vibrant cities and the tranquility of untouched nature. Iceland is a land of dramatic contrasts, where glaciers carve their way through volcanic landscapes and the northern lights dance across the sky. This Nordic island nation offers a sense of adventure and solitude that's perfect for solo travelers seeking to connect with nature's raw beauty. Imagine yourself soaking in the geothermal waters of the Blue Lagoon as snow falls gently around you, or hiking through the otherworldly landscapes of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, often called Iceland in miniature. Rent a car and embark on a road trip along the Ring Road, circling the entire country and discovering hidden waterfalls, black sand beaches, and charming fishing villages along the way. Iceland is incredibly safe and easy to navigate, making it an ideal destination for solo travelers of all experience levels. So pack your sense of adventure and prepare to be amazed by the raw beauty of this Nordic gem. So there you have it, fellow explorers. 5 incredible destinations perfect for your next solo adventure in 2025. Whether you're drawn to the bustling streets of Tokyo or the tranquil landscapes of New Zealand, there's a world of discovery waiting for you. Remember, solo travel is about embracing the freedom to explore at your own pace, connect with new cultures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable solo adventure in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the road.